to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Today we're going to talk about digital marketing. Before you create your content design, you have a few questions to answer. Who's your target audience? Retired homeowners, book lovers 18 to 30, college students or science lovers? What channels are available to your target audience? Maybe emails for people in business, or social media from millennials? And how much time does your target audience have for reading, watching, or listening to content? A few minutes for working moms who are juggling everything? Things to consider. Then perfecting the content. Write all the information that you want to convey about your company and its products and services. Then put the content together in drafts. If you feel like your writing skills are enough, then proceed to revise your drafts. If not, outsource the content to some professional writer. And make sure that you hire someone who can provide the right tone for your target audience. Then there's blogging. For bloggers, the same steps I just talked about apply here also. How do you go about blogging before even writing the content? Well, find a site that can host your business website. Check if your company name is still available as a URL. For example, if your company name is WoodworkWiz, then perhaps you can look for variations such as woodworkwiz.com or woodworkwiz.net, things like that. Now, sometimes when you're looking for a desired URL, if it's not available, or even if it is, sometimes it'll give variations that you can, which may spike your interest. It might give different acronyms that basically lay the same. Some of them are super expensive, so you kind of just judge it by there. Now think of your business name. Did you name your company after a popular book, movie, or character? If so, you'll see an expensive URL, so maybe make a tweak to ensure that you don't have to pay so much for the URL. Then regularly post relevant articles on your blog. Your content will much appreciate the DIY, the do-it-yourself, or how-to articles associated with your company's products or services. You can even embed videos together with the articles. So it means having to shoot some high-quality videos to strengthen the content of your written pieces. Share the articles and videos on social media. Check the feedback of your content and make changes accordingly. And provide your clients with a subscription option. This way they can be alerted to when new promos and articles have been written. While it's true that social media has changed the way people advertise, the popularity of the landing page is still vital to its online success. A professional landing page that targeted audiences can visit will strengthen your online presence. You don't want people still wondering whether you're a legitimate business. So many scam sites have left people jaded. So you want a website that builds reputation. With your website traffic, you can establish a reputation. Reputational boost is especially possible if your website is professional looking, with working link, accessible structure, and helpful information. This website is where you can add all the information about your company and its products and services. It increases impressions that can lead to conversion. While you may have ads all over the web, people need to have a landing page to visit to find out more about you. So your ads may urge people to buy your product and services. When they click those ads, they should be directed to a page where they can view that. If you have a paid for a PPC sponsorship, then more people will directly visit your page, even if they don't have social media accounts. Search engines will help them to your site. It expands business contacts. A website's not just built for the sake of getting conversion. It's also a page where you can recommend to people that you want to engage with, including prospective business partners, employees to hire, investors, and more. And it creates other means of earning money. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's ADVISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.